Welcome to Food Fanatix. Add 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon vinegar. Stir it lightly and let it set for 5 minutes. Sieve 170 grams of plain flour, 65 grams of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon bicarbonate of soda. In the milk and vinegar mixture, add 125 ml vegetable oil, 220 grams caster sugar, and blend until the sugar dissolves. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Add the flour and beat on low speed. Add 2 tablespoons of water and blend for 3 to 4 minutes. Scoop the mixture into cupcake cases. And bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees for approximately 20 minutes. Link in description on how to make buttercream icing.